Hello, boys and girls. So for math today, you are going to be playing a game called Beat You to 20. We have played the game Beat You to 10, so it's very much the same. When you are in your Google slideshow, you will see an image of the game board, and if you click on that image, underneath the image, a link will appear. And if you click on it, it will bring you to this page. And on this page, it just talks about some different things. There are some questions that you might want to keep in mind while you're playing it. There are some things that will help you practice how to get to 10 or how to get to 20. And then it also tells you that the first, what the object of the game is, and that is the first player to cover all 20 game board cubes wins. But it must be 20 exactly. So you have to get exactly 20 in order to win the game. And then there's some game variations that you could play. You could use 2 dice if you wanted to roll them, or you could cover all of the 20, and then once you roll, you can subtract to get to 0. Those are just some ideas about how you could play the game a little bit differently. But what the regular way to play is you are going to click, if you can see my arrow moving around, you're going to click on this middle page down on the corner, and it will take you to the game board. So now what you're going to do is you are going to toss. If you wanted to play with the 2 die, you could roll another number dice and then add that one and this number that you rolled on here together, and then drag that many cubes onto your playing game board. So we just tossed a 1. So my favorite color is purple, so I'm going to drag purple. So how many more do I need to get to 10? I need, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need 9 more. 9. Do you see how I have 9 fingers up and 1 down? That's how I know how to get to 10. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you don't have to do that every time, but it's a good idea to think about how to get to 10, the different ways you can make 10. Okay, so the next roll is going to be player 2. Oh my goodness, there's a 1 there too. So we're going to use a red one just because I like red too. I know a couple other kids in my classroom that like red. Do you like red? Okay, player 1's turn. 0, right? So I don't get to pull any cubes onto my mat. So I still need 9, and so does player 2. It's player 2's turn. Player 2 gets to drag 4 over. So we're going to choose a different color. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 5, don't we? 4 plus 1 more equals 5. And how many more do we need to get to 10? 5 more, right? And if we added all 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we need 15. Player 2 needs 15 to win the game. All right, it's player 1's turn. 1. Okay, I'm going to use this color. Howard likes to call it beige. It's a pretty good word to describe that color. So 1 plus 1 is 2. I have 2, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to get to 10, and then 10 more. So I need 18 to get to 20. Oh, player 2 got a 0 that time. Maybe I'll catch up. No, I only got 1. So I'm going to use the purple again. So look, now I got 1, 2, 3. So that's how you play the digital game. And if you go to the next slide, you can see how to play the game with the paper version that we sent home in your student's purple folder.